Maybe mash the banana. Mash it. Hold this. Push. Wow. Yummy. Wait, okay. Smell. Smell. Smell good? Yeah. Okay, now we do the eggs. Okay, one egg. 1, 2, 3. And open. Wow. Well done. Okay, one more. Crack. Way. Oopsie daisy. You just say, all done? Okay, done. Which one next? The milk. Say milk. Milk. Oh, here's the milk. Put inside the milk. Hold 2 hands and pour it in. Wow, good job, Eva. Well done. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. More. Okay, butter. Next butter. You put it inside, okay? Put inside. Wow, butter. Good girl. Oh, cooking oil. Wait, Eva. Slowly, slowly. Wow. What's next? Vanilla. Say vanilla. Vanilla. Wow. Next one is sugar. Say sugar. Wow. This one next. Sugar. Good girl. Sugar. More sugar. Wow. Yummy. Okay, wait, baby. Flour. Say flour. Flour. Good girl. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Here, baby. Now put this inside. Wow. Mix like this one, please. Egg. Okay, mommy, get more egg. Mix this first. Okay, mix this first. Wow, look at that. Say baking. Baking. Good girl. Okay, are we all done? Are we all done? We're gonna put it on a baking pan. Mommy, get the baking pan. Yeah. Okay, mommy. Okay. You know where to put it. Okay, here you go. Good job, Eva. Well done, baby. Well done. Okay. Put more. Put more. Yeah, quick. Wow, you know what to do. Good job. Okay, mommy, help. Wait, baby. There. Smile for the camera. Smile. Smile. Yay. Can you smell? What's this? Banana cake. Cake. Good girl. Wow. 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 Banana cake. See, hot. Okay. Good girl. Hot. Yeah, hot. Mommy. Hot. Is it good? Is it yummy? Yummy? Eat. Is it yummy? Yummy. Good girl. Careful. Give mommy a kiss.